The Congress party today got a major shot in their arm after 200 party workers comprising of the NPP, BJP and UDP from West Shillong constituency joined the state Congress. MPCC Chief Vincent H. Pala said that this is just the beginning as there are many more party workers from different political parties who will be joining the state Congress. He said the next to join will be TMC leaders from Nong Thamai constituency post Gambegre polls.
As of today, I see that I'm quite confident. I'm very happy to see that in the Congress there are new faces, like I said, new energy and lots of new innovations also. Like they will launch our own website. People can join online. They don't have to, suppose like in the block where people they don't allow them to join like before. Now they can join from anywhere in the world, from any part of Meghalaya, any part of India. So we have done lots of innovations also in the party. Not only that, social media we are organizing. We are again recruiting lots of new teams for our social media. We were weak in social media. This time we'll organize well. Hopefully within a week we'll be able to organize our team properly. Thank you.